can drive you. My whole day is like ping, 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 ping.
I have no idea what that means. Why can't you drive me?
Like running errands, like I'm busy. Like ping, I'm going here, and then ping, grocery store, and then ping, I gotta pick something up at CVS. Like I'm never ping going back home, so I wouldn't be able to pick you up. Hey, could you pass me the glug 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 the milk? You want me to pass you the gallon of milk?
Ah, yes, thank you, milk.
Okay. Oh my gosh, work was so stressful today. Everything was like vroom, 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 vroom. And I just need to like